Did you know that 80% of millionaires are self-made, and many of them credit their success to one book? That book is Napoleon Hill's Think and Grow Rich, a timeless masterpiece that has sold over 100 million copies worldwide. But here's the kicker. It's not just about money. It's about unlocking the mindset that can help you achieve any goal you set for yourself. Curious to know more? Welcome back, dreamers and doers, to your own channel, Books in 10 Minutes. Today, we're exploring one of the most influential books ever written, Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. First published in 1937, this book isn't just a guide to financial success. It's a blueprint for transforming your mindset and achieving your deepest desires. Napoleon Hill spent over 20 years studying the habits of some of the wealthiest and most successful people of his time, including Andrew Carnegie, Henry Ford, and Thomas Edison. What he discovered was a set of universal principles that anyone can apply to create wealth, overcome obstacles, and live a life of purpose. Whether you're looking to build a business, grow your savings, or simply achieve a big personal goal, Think and Grow Rich offers timeless wisdom that's as relevant today as it was nearly a century ago. So, grab a notebook and let's uncover the secrets to thinking and growing rich. Let's face it, achieving our dreams can feel like an uphill battle. Maybe you've set goals for yourself, whether it's starting a business, losing weight, or saving for a dream vacation, only to find yourself stuck in the same old patterns. You're not alone. Many of us struggle with self-doubt, fear of failure, or simply not knowing where to start. We tell ourselves things like, I'm not smart enough, I don't have enough money, or it's too late for me to change. These limiting beliefs act like invisible chains, holding us back from reaching our full potential. But here's the good news. Napoleon Hill believed that the biggest obstacle to success isn't external, it's internal. It is the way we think. In Think and Grow Rich, Hill argues that our thoughts have the power to shape our reality. If we can change our mindset, we can change our lives. So, how do we break free from these mental barriers? How do we turn our dreams into reality? That's exactly what we're about to explore. Let's dive into the core principles of Think and Grow Rich and discover how you can harness the power of your mind to achieve extraordinary results. At the heart of Think and Grow Rich are 13 principles that Napoleon Hill identified as the keys to success. Today, we'll focus on the most transformative ones: desire, faith, persistence, and the mastermind principle. Principle number 1, the power of desire. Hill famously said, "Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve." But there's a critical nuance to this statement. Your desire must be burning. A casual wish or a half-hearted goal won't cut it. To achieve extraordinary results, you need to be consumed by an intense, unwavering desire. A desire so strong that it borders on obsession. A burning desire is more than just wanting something. It's a deep, emotional craving that fuels your actions, keeps you focused, and pushes you through obstacles. When your desire is strong enough, you'll find a way to make it happen, no matter how impossible it seems. Hill emphasizes that a weak desire leads to weak results, but a burning desire creates the energy and determination needed to overcome any challenge. For example, imagine you want to start your own business. A casual desire might sound like, it would be nice to be my own boss. But a burning desire is, I will start my business, no matter what. I'll work late nights, learn new skills, and do whatever it takes to make it happen. That level of intensity is what drives success. Another example is, Thomas Edison didn't succeed if he just wished to create a light bulb. He was obsessed with it, working tirelessly until he succeeded. Principle number 2, the role of faith. Faith, in this context, isn't limited to religious belief. It's about having an unshakable belief in yourself, your goals, and your ability to achieve them. Hill describes faith as a state of mind that can be developed and strengthened through repetition, affirmation, and visualization. When you truly believe in your dreams, you create a mental environment that attracts success and turns your desires into reality. Faith is not something you're born with, it's something you cultivate. Hill explains that faith is a mindset that can be developed through consistent, positive thinking. By repeatedly affirming your goals and visualizing your success, you program your subconscious mind to believe in your ability to achieve them. This belief then translates into action, persistence, and resilience. Hill writes, Faith is the eternal elixir which gives life, power, and action to the impulse of thought. In other words, faith is the force that turns your thoughts into tangible results. Without faith, even the most brilliant ideas remain dormant. But with faith, you can move mountains. For example, take the story of Jim Carrey. Before he became a famous actor, he wrote himself a check for $10 million for acting services rendered, dated it for Thanksgiving 1995, and carried it in his wallet. He visualized this success daily, and guess what? By 1995, he was earning $10 million per movie. That's the power of faith and visualization. Principle number 3, the importance of persistence. Success is rarely instantaneous. It's the result of consistent effort, resilience, and the refusal to give up, even in the face of failure. Hill emphasizes that persistence is the quality that separates those who achieve their dreams from those who fall short. It's the ability to keep going when the path gets tough, to learn from setbacks, and to turn obstacles into opportunities. Persistence is the bridge between desire and achievement. No matter how strong your desire or how clear your vision, you will inevitably face challenges, failures, and moments of doubt. Persistence is what keeps you moving forward when others would quit. Hill writes, "There may be no heroic connotation to the word persistence, but the quality is to character what carbon is to steel." In other words, persistence is the backbone of success. For example, think of J.K. Rowling, who was rejected by 12 publishers before Harry Potter was finally accepted. She didn't let rejection stop her. Instead, she persisted, and today, she's one of the most successful authors in history. Principle number 4, the mastermind principle. This principle emphasizes the power of collaboration and the idea that no one succeeds alone. Hill defines the mastermind as the coordination of knowledge and effort between two or more people who work toward a definite purpose in a spirit of harmony. In other words, it's about surrounding yourself with like-minded individuals who share your vision, challenge your thinking, and support your growth. Together, you create a collective intelligence that amplifies your success. The mastermind principle is rooted in the idea that two heads are better than one. When you bring together a group of people with diverse skills, experiences, and perspectives, you create a synergy that can't be achieved alone. This collective energy helps you solve problems faster, generate innovative ideas, and stay motivated during challenging times. Hill writes, "No individual may have great power without availing themselves of the mastermind." He believed that the greatest achievements in history, whether in business, science, or the arts, were the result of collaboration, not individual effort. For example, look at the success of companies like Apple. Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak formed a mastermind partnership that combined Jobs' visionary thinking with Wozniak's technical expertise. Together, they revolutionized the tech industry. These principles aren't just theoretical, they're practical tools that you can start using today. Whether you're dreaming of financial freedom, personal growth, or a career breakthrough, Think and Grow Rich gives you the roadmap to get there. One of the most powerful stories in Think and Grow Rich is the tale of Henry Ford and his V8 engine. When Ford proposed building an engine with all 8 cylinders in one block, his engineers said it was impossible. But Ford didn't back down. He insisted, produce it anyway. Months later, after countless failures and setbacks, the engineers finally succeeded. And as a result, we got a revolutionary engine that changed the automotive industry forever. This story illustrates the power of unwavering faith and persistence. Ford didn't just want the V8 engine, he demanded it. And because he refused to accept failure as an option, he achieved what others thought was impossible. This is the essence of Napoleon Hill's philosophy. When you combine a burning desire with unshakable faith and relentless persistence, there's no limit to what you can achieve. So what have we learned today? Think and Grow Rich is more than just a book about money. It's a guide to transforming your mindset and achieving your deepest desires. By cultivating a burning desire, building unshakable faith, practicing persistence, and surrounding yourself with a supportive mastermind, you can overcome any obstacle and create the life you've always dreamed of. These principles are as relevant today as they were in 1937. In a world full of distractions and self-doubt, Think and Grow Rich reminds us that success starts in the mind. As Napoleon Hill famously said, Whatever the mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve. So what will you conceive and believe? The choice is yours. Thanks for joining me on this journey through Think and Grow Rich. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on more life-changing content. I'd love to hear from you. What's one big goal you're working toward? How do you plan to apply the principles of Think and Grow Rich to achieve it? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're hungry for more success strategies, check out our next video where we dive into next book. Until then, keep dreaming big, thinking rich, and taking action. See you in the next video.